In the 16th century, Ottoman Sultan Yavuz Selim sat down to eat in Gaziantep. After taking a bite, he asked a simple question: whose gentle hands made this? He never received a clear answer, but even 500 years later, the question he asked still serves as the name of the dish. In the early 16th century, the Ottoman Empire was expanding fast, and its Sultan, Selim I, known to history as Yavuz Selim the Grim, was leading a military campaign through Anatolia. His route passed through Gaziantep, a city already known for the richness of its kitchens. According to local legend, the Sultan stopped to eat. What was placed in front of him wasn't a grand palace feast. It was something simpler: smoky eggplant, pureed to perfection, topped with tender spiced lamb. He took a bite, and then he paused. Whose gentle hand made this? He asked. The phrase Ali Nazik, which means gentle hand in Turkish, evolved into a single word over the centuries as the story was told and retold time and again, and the dish came to be known simply as Ali Nazik. Now, historians will tell you, like most food legends passed down for 500 years, there isn't just one version of this story. Some say it wasn't Selim at all, but a later sultan. Some say the phrase was already in use before this moment. But across every version, one thing stays the same: a dish so good it earned a name fit for royalty. Legend or not, 5 centuries later, people are still asking the same question every time they take a bite. So let's find out what makes those gentle hands so special and how you can make it yourself. Ali Nazik comes from Gaziantep, a city in southeastern Turkey that's often called the country's culinary capital. It's a region shaped by centuries of trade routes, where Anatolian, Arab, and Ottoman palace cooking all left their mark. Unlike many showpiece dishes designed to impress at a banquet, Ali Nazik has always had a quieter reputation. It's considered elegant precisely because of its simplicity: just smoky eggplant, good yogurt, and well-seasoned meat, layered with care. It's the kind of dish you'll find at a family table as often as a restaurant menu. Humble ingredients, treated with a little extra attention, which, funny enough, is exactly what the legend is about. Alright, let's make it. Traditional Ali Nazik has a few key steps, and each one matters. Here's exactly how it's done, plus the small details that separate an average version from a great one. Let's make it. Start by charring the eggplants directly over an open flame until the skin is fully blackened and the flesh is soft and smoky. This step gives Ali Nazik its signature flavor, so don't skip it. Peel off the skin, then chop the flesh finely. For the base, melt butter with a spoonful of flour. Whisk in yogurt and mashed garlic over low heat until slightly thickened, then fold in the eggplant. For the topping, sauté diced onion in butter. Add diced lamb, brown it well. Then stir in tomato paste and a touch more butter until rich and glossy. Spread the eggplant yogurt base on a plate, spoon the meat over the top, and finish with a drizzle of melted butter and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Serve warm with flatbread or rice. Next time you make Ali Nazik, you're not just cooking a recipe, you're answering a sultan's question, 5 centuries late. If you want more stories like this, dishes with real history behind every bite, subscribe, because Turkish cuisine has hundreds more of these waiting to be told.